Learn basic Japanese with theory. Vocabulary Japanese. Lesson 9. Vocabulary Japanese. How to tell time in Japanese. Let's run. Introduction. Title. Lesson 9. Vocabulary Japanese. How to tell time. Script. Today's lesson is about telling time in Japanese. This is essential for daily life, work, and appointments in Japan. Let's start simple and clear. Practice 1. Hours. Text on slide. 1 o'clock. 1時 2 o'clock. 2時 3 o'clock. 3時 4 o'clock. 4時 5 o'clock. 5時 Special readings. 4 o'clock. 4時 not 4時 7 o'clock. 7時 9 o'clock. 9時 Script. 英語 add 少し日本語 In Japanese, hours are said with 何々時 Some numbers change pronunciation, so be careful. Practice 2. Minutes. Text on slide. 10 minutes. 10分 20 minutes. 20分 30 minutes. 30分 Important. 1 minute. 1分 3 minutes. 3分 6 minutes. 6分 Script. Minutes use 何々分何々分 The sound changes depending on the number. This is very common in Japanese. Practice 3. Common times phrases. Text on slide. What time is it? 今何時ですか? At 3:30. 3時半 AM 午前 PM 午後 Script Her first is very easy in Japanese. You just add han. Example 3:30 3時半 Practice 5日本語まとめ Japanese only Text on slide 日本語時間の言い方何々時何々分何々分半質問今何時ですか Script 優しい日本語時間は毎日使いますゆっくり何回も練習しましょう。Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and rate it highly. Bye bye.